Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the right access and a backup. Log into WordPress with an account that can edit themes, then backup header. PHP or create a child theme to preserve updates. Once done, open Appearance right arrow theme file editor or connect over SFTP to download header. PHP locally. This protects your live site. Make small, commented changes so you can revert easily, and keep the browser open to the live site for quick verification as you proceed. You now edit the header file carefully. Locate head, the site title markup, and the WP head. Hook before changing structure. These are essential for plugins and scripts. Make minimal edits, wrap logos in correct markup, add ID or classes for styling, or move navigation if needed. Use a code editor with syntax highlighting and linting to avoid PHP errors. If you're on staging, push changes there first. After saving, refresh the front end to verify assets, scripts, and SEO tags remain intact. You finish by confirming everything loads correctly and preparing for quick recovery. Clear WordPress, CDN, and browser caches so edits appear, then test across devices and responsive breakpoints. If you see a white screen or fatal error, immediately revert to your backup or switch to the parent theme to regain access. Make sure to check server error logs and enable WP debug to reveal PHP problems. Once corrected, reapply the tested change in the child theme and clear caches again to finalize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.